Let us practice the grammar exercise of degree of comparison, grade 8 ICSE. Let's start. Change the degree of comparison means to positive, comparative and superlative in the following sentences without alternating the sense. First, a horse is more intelligent than an ass. This is comparative sentence. Answer in positive degree, an ass is not as intelligent as horse. See students, whenever there is a comparison between two objects and you have to convert it into positive degree, you have to use not or make it negative. Second, a wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. This is comparative sentence. To derive the answer, again we will use the negative form. Answer in positive degree, a foolish friend is not as good as wise enemy. Third, Mumbai is the best seaport in India. This is superlative degree. Answer in positive degree, no other seaport in India is as good as Mumbai. And in comparative degree, Mumbai is better than any other ports in India. See students, here when the subject is showing the perfect superlative degree, then concentrate on no other in positive degree and any other in comparative degree. If the sentence would have been Mumbai is one of the best seaports, then in positive degree use very few instead of no other and use many other instead of any other. Fourth, Disraeli was the greatest statesman of England. This is superlative degree. Answer in positive degree, no other statesman of England was as great as Disraeli, and in comparative, Disraeli was greater than any other statesman of England. Fifth, there are few districts so fertile as Hoshiarpur. This is positive degree. Answer in comparative degree, Hoshiarpur is more fertile than many other districts, and in superlative degree, Hoshiarpur is one of the most fertile districts. See here, adjective is not given as the perfect superlative. Therefore, we have added in comparative degree, fertile than many other, and in superlative degree, we have added one of the most, as I have explained you earlier. We will see two more examples like this. Sixth, very few books are as popular as Dickens' David Copperfield. This is positive degree, and answer in comparative degree, Dickens' David Copperfield is more popular than many other books, and in superlative degree, Dickens' David Copperfield is one of the most popular books. Seventh, gold is one of the most precious metals. This is superlative. Answer in positive degree, very few metals are as precious as gold, and in comparative, gold is more precious than many other metals. One more example. 8th, Kalidasa is one of the greatest poets. This is superlative degree. Now answer in positive, very few poets are as great as Kalidasa, and in comparative, Kalidasa is greater than many other poets. 9th, it is easier to speak than to act. This is comparative sentence. Here positive degree, to act is not as easy as to speak. 10th, the bullet train runs faster than a motor car. This is comparative. Answer in positive, motor car does not run as fast as the bullet train. 11th, he knows her better than me. Comparative sentence. Now answer in positive, I do not know her as good as him. 12th, of all men he is the meanest. This is superlative. Answer in positive, no other man is as mean as him, and in comparative, he is meaner than any other man. 13th, let us see who runs fastest. This is comparative. Answer in positive, let us see who runs as fast as anybody, and in comparative, let us see who runs faster amongst all. 14th, he does his work more honestly than anybody else. This is comparative degree. Answer in positive, nobody does his work as honest as him, and in superlative, he does his work most honestly. 15th, few historians write as graphically as Macaulay. This is positive. Answer in comparative, Macaulay writes more graphically than many other historians, and in superlative, Macaulay is one of the historians who writes most graphically. 16th, John bowls faster than Jack. This is comparative. Answer in positive, Jack does not bowl as fast as John. 17th, Ashoka was one of the noblest of Indian kings. This is superlative. Answer in positive, very few Indian kings were as noble as Ashoka, and in comparative, Ashoka was nobler than many other Indian kings. 18th, a live ass is better than a dead lion. This is comparative. Answer in positive, a dead lion is not as good as a live ass. 19th, Jim seemed more cheerful than any of his companions. This is comparative, and answer in positive. No other companions seemed as cheerful as Jim. And in superlative, Jim seemed most cheerful amongst all his companions. Hope this exercise is useful for you. Please share this with your friends and to the needy students.